15 Pro induction handset cable. Operation demonstration. Damaged photoconductive cable will lose its original color function and compass function. Using the Luben L3 mainframe first, test Luben 15 Pro induction handset cable. Late, test normal. Using the uninstalled induction handset cable of the iPhone, connecting your cell phone to the Luben host. Is unbundled, straight to right. Right success. Disconnect the phone from the programmer. Remove cable and install to phone. Power on directly after installation. Test the original color and compass function all normal.